Well, I had to leave early today because a tree fell down on my house. And while I was gone, we got something kind of cool in. Obviously, I know what's coming in because I'm the only one that's allowed to purchase cars here. But look at this OBS truck. Still got bed sides on it. It was just in a little fender bender. It's not terrible. Oh my god, it still got power. Well, I took the key out of it. I gotta go find the key. Oh man, the smell brings me back. It's not necessarily a great thing, but door closes like every OBS truck. It's got some questionable things going on in that area. It is a Midwest truck after all. Aww. That side's nice. It's just one cab corner. Is this door dented? No, that door feels okay. That's not good. I saw that in the pictures. Weight reduction. I don't know what we're gonna do with this thing. Let me go see if I can find the keys. These? Do we think these are the keys, and do we think this thing's going to start up? Now, you might be asking, why would I buy this? This doesn't really fit what we do here. Well, it was cheap. And cheap is kind of what I do here. Let's see. Ooh, we got a drummer boy on the passenger side of the dash. What is happening here? What is going on over there? It's running okay. So we got lights. That cluster's needle, no. We have all of the oil pressure, 237,000 miles. No fuel. We have one headlight. Do we have gears? Oh, we have gears. So hopefully I can see what we doing with this. The back window has so much schmutz on it that I can't see out of it. The backup camera's not working. Driving. I can't believe I bought a vehicle with a battery that started right away. Well, it's kind of good. This is the bad side because it's wrecked, which is really not even that bad. You know, a little bit of rubbing compound. That door's got a big old dent in it. A little surface rust along the bottom. This is the worst part of the entire truck, I think. A rusted out cab corner and rocker panel on a Chevrolet truck. Never have I ever. No, that's normal. It's not even that bad. These are usually much worse than this. Interior, yeah, I don't want to know why that's that way. It's fine, just don't look there. The dash is gross and cracked. Does it have a tilt? Ooh, it's got a tilt column. That's dollars. And it tilts. And it doesn't have a, wow, that's tight. That's the nicest one of those I've seen. Factory radio, cup holder. These are some of the best cup holders. These were good trucks. Let's pop the bonnet. .7 liters of throttle body injection. Uh-oh. What is this? I smell coolant. Fixing stuff already. So, looks like the damage is just confined to the core support and this left fender. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find a fender in that color combination. That is going to be tough. Wheels easy, bumpers easy, lights are easy. Power steering, angry. Wait, this is a non-AC truck? Where did the AC stuff go? Oh, there's a condenser. Somebody pulled some parts out of this. Yep. Deleted. Runs good though. TDI 5.7. Needs door pins like every OBS truck ever produced, every 30,000 miles. Yeah. Bed's not all rotted out though. A little dent under the light, a couple bubbles on the tailgate, rear bumper. Yeah. Oh, no, it's not worth fixing. This is. Yep, that does it in, guys. No, I'm just kidding. What should I do with this thing? Do you think parts or fix? I love the color combo, but what's this truck even worth? Salvage title, not that that matters on something like this. Let's see, do we get any goodies? How do I do this? I don't see how to do that on this. This is probably one of the cleaner interiors I've seen in one of these in a while. Maybe I gotta go to the other side. I don't know. Are we overheating yet? Nope. Barely registered on the gauge. That speedo needle seems to have taken a permanent vacation. And no tachometer. What? How's the transmission gonna know when to shift? See what's in the box of gloves. Nothing. This truck is a GU4. Who did that? This truck needs some 373s. Ooh, we got goodies back here. What is this? Power stuff to stuff I don't own. Oh, there's a newspaper. When's this from? December 22nd, 2010. Well, that's been back there for 13 and a half years. What else we got? Anything of any importance? Ew, that goes in somebody's ear. Shouldn't have touched that. Yuck. There's a couple of earpieces back here. This is where all the tools and stuff are. Forget I did that. Door panels are pretty nice too. Anything that's nice on the inside of these trucks is worth good money. Does the window work? It does. I don't know why I'm amazed at that. They usually do. It's not a half bad truck. It's just not half good. Hot coolant smells. It's pretty solid. It's got a muffler on it. Still got factory converter on it. One-piece drive shaft. It's not too bad. What should I do with this thing? It's pretty clean for an OBS truck in the Midwest. It's not a super nice truck. It's not going to ever be a show truck, a collectible truck. It's not nice enough for that. But if you look at what people are doing for their square bodies, and if you look at what people are doing for the 67 to 72 trucks, how far they're willing to go to restore these trucks, are these trucks next. I think these trucks have a lot of sentimental value to a lot of us that are my age, because we rode in these things when they were brand new. I also think that these were really good trucks in general, but most trucks from this era are very good vehicles in general. So should this one live on? Now, there's a few different options here. I can part this truck completely out. I'm about $700 in this truck. I know I can at least triple, maybe quadruple my money after selling the engine, selling transmission. I can sell a lot of stuff out of the interior. That stuff sells really well. Steering columns, very good money on these trucks. And I can part it out, sell the bed, and I can crush what's not sellable or what people don't want. I could also fix the truck up as is, throw a left front fender on it, which I'm never going to find one in this color, or try to pull it out to make it look better. At that point, this is probably a $2,500 truck on a great day, and that's a lot of work for $2,500. The other option, I suppose, I could sell the engine and transmission out of this truck, which I will still profit well. There's some engine brackets. I think I can almost double my money selling the drivetrain out of this truck, and then I have the truck as a roller, and then I can stow it away for one of those rainy days, which is right now, and I still don't have time to work on stuff. We're not going to talk about my time, but what should the future hold for this truck? What should I do with this? I'm going to let you guys decide what ultimately happens. Like I said, I'm $700 in this truck. I stand to profit pretty well for parting the whole thing out. I also stand to profit a little bit and retain the truck and put the truck back on the road. I don't know what to do. I'm torn. These are not that hard to find right now, but going forward, will they be? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I know it's kind of a different type of video. I don't normally showcase the normal stuff that comes in, but this is not normal for me. This was kind of a moment of weakness. I saw a two-tone run and drive TVI. I know the drivetrain sells, and I bid on it. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you on the next one.